You are going to love the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power lift gate, tow hitch, backup camera. Come take a test drive today.